What's up, Mopar fam? It's your boy at Red Easy. What's going on? Today on this quick episode, we'll be changing the spark plugs on a 2011 Chrysler 300C Hemi. All right, let's get it. All right, guys, so this is gonna be fairly easy. We got our laser iridium spark plugs. We're gonna be switching those out. All right. And we also have our gap tool. All right, the spark plug gap for these Hemis on a 2011 Plus is 0.043, right? So always check it before we put it in. We're gonna use a 5/8 spark plug socket. And then for these guys, a 10mm socket with, you know, 2 different extensions. Depending on what's in the way, we might not need them in certain spots, but we're gonna give it a shot, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and do one. Let's do this one. All right, we're gonna take this guy off. That over there. And use a 10mm. All right, no extension needed for this one in particular. Move that out. Nice and easy. Okay. There. Wiggle. Don't really take that out. Looks like we need to remove the dipstick. Over here. Oh. Make sure for your 5/8, make sure it's got that rubber grommet in there. That's what the spark plug's gonna hang on to while pulling it out. Super important. Always double check that. So let's get our extension here. We're gonna add this swivel thing here just to give us a little bit of an edge. All done with one hand. Could you believe it? Nice and easy. Bam. Look at that. Big difference. Check. Yeah. 0.43. Ooh. That's good. And snug tight, Bob's your uncle. That's how you do the first one. Now, repeat the process for the next one. Now, switch to the 10. 10mm bolts. Hand tight first, just so to avoid cross threading. Boom. Plug it back in. Bam. All right, so we're gonna repeat the process for the other spark plugs. Okay. There's a total of 16. So we got 14 more to go. We got 7 more coil packs to remove. So what I'd like to do is, in one process, because I'm just on my own, remove all the plugs. They won't get entangled. They're pretty self-explanatory, right? Remove all the plugs all in one sequence. Then remove the 10mm all in one sequence. Then they're going to be markers of what you haven't done. So we already done this one. And we're gonna have at her just in a sequential process. Keeps things tight, and at least you know which ones you've done and which ones you haven't. All right, so let's go ahead and do that. All right, they're all off. So we're gonna switch to a smaller 1/4" ratchet with a 10. Just to get in there. All right, all taken out, ready to rock. All right, ready to rock. Take out the plugs now, install new ones. Alright guys, that is all done skis. Alright, next, this is going to be a little tricky here. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Up. Alright, slowly up this way. See how it's like real tight in there? Just gonna use your wrench boy. Wrench boy. Turn right that way. Tight spots. Put that in there. On to the next one. This one's gonna be fairly easy. Nope. Never say never. Boom. That over there. All right. This baby in here. Throw on that screw. So not bad. Took me about 45 minutes. So let's call it an hour just to do it. All right. Boom. Let's give her a start. Should be good. La 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 la. All right. And. Ooh. Quick and easy, not bad. You know, it took about an hour. So thanks for watching guys, hope this helps. Peace.